We're going to we're going to suss out this Khao soy place.
Khao soy? Khao soy?
Yes. Oh. Yes.
Khao soy chicken.
I would have
Khao soy beef.
I would have
60
the
baht. That's all right.
Khao soy pork.
I'll just do the original. That's okay.
Hi.
Well,
Oh, yes, yes.
so footballs.
Yes.
Hook.
Okay.
Right. Shall we
All
sit?
right. Yes, we will.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Do you mind if I film? Is that okay? It's all
Oh,
right.
someone was sitting here.
Yes, now.
I'll go turn. Right, this is what you get, guys, when you come in. Pork wontons, casserole pork, casserole pork balls, casserole chicken, casserole beef. This is a lovely lady setting it up. I forget the name of the place. I walked back out. They've got renovations for the big hotel next door. Place is cow soy noodles. It's a secret.
Okay, so there's mine. I have got the Khao soy moo, and Dave has got the
Khao soy guy.
Yes. All right. There are condiments, and we're about to put them in and tuck in.
I want to taste them first.
Oh, right, okay.
It is a bit cold.
It's very cool.
I think. No, I've got to add some spices to this one. Chili base it is.
Yeah, it's a little tasteless. I guess they cater to all tastes. Thank you.
I'm just mixing stuff.
A little bit of the chili paste.
Num num. That's the
You
pickle
weirdo.
stuff.
You weirdo.
I am a weirdo.
I know. You're my weirdo. My phone's already been sprayed.
I would do that, but I can't. Num num num.
All right. Now,
Missing something.
if I was good with chopsticks, I would absolutely be killing this, but I'm not. But let's see how much I'm actually able to pick up here. All right, hey, didn't do too bad, hey.
That's very impressive. Go, Judy. Go, Judy.
Oh, they weren't lying. Khao soy is delicious.
Yes. No. And the typical. I've got to have the same water again, but
No.
up the front we've got the free water.
This is really good.
You had the beef one, didn't you?
No?
Pork. Pork, sorry. Should have been listening.
I'm amazed that you would say that. I never do beef.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why I say that. Cooked right through. Beautiful. Oh, yeah.
My pork. Check this out, guys. Check that out. That is absolutely falling apart. It's beautiful.
I think it's time for a little bit more
Chili?
chili.
Spice up your life.
Trying the best to do it. Well, I know there's lots of cow soy places around, but this one's just around for us. 2.5 minute walk for us.
Yeah.
I think it was 50 or 60 baht to come in there, 60 baht. I think for a couple of dollars, I'm still going.
Get a fantastic meal like that.
I'm stoked.
I have a little confession to make. We have been to Thailand so many times, and this is the first time I've had khao soi. I know, shame on me. But I love it now.
I've had ones that are a bit more creamier, thicker. Curry section, but still good.
You wouldn't want it really creamy though.
Well, it's not creamy, I'm trying to...
But if it's thicker, it's creamier, which would make it stodgier. Now on a hot day, you just don't want stodginess.
I had one at markets, while we were at markets that time.
Well, that was fine.
No, it's fine with that. And that was, I don't know if it was thicker or the chicken actually, it says I picked the chicken bone up, it actually fell off the bone.
Sorry, I lie. We did have khao soi once before, and that was...
I did, I'm not sure if you did that time.
Yeah, we did a bicycle tour, and I wasn't feeling that well, so I didn't end up eating at all that day. So, actually no, it's not a lie then, because this is actually the first time I've eaten khao soi.